What's up, guys? It's KP, and today I'm going to go by Builder Surplus, which is exactly what it sounds like, a surplus store for builders, and check some prices on some cabinets, doors, interior, exterior, some flooring, even windows. I'm going to walk through it right quick and just look at some of the items and see how much they've increased since the beginning of the year. And y'all come along. What's up, guys? I'm here at Builder Surplus, just checking out some interior doors. And since this COVID thing, I think all of the prices went up at least 20%. These 2 panels, the 24s, 26s going for 100. They used to be around 70. 5 panels going for 140. They used to be around 95. And I used these on a couple projects with the frosted glass. They're 320 now. Used to be around 270. And we just have to refigure the numbers when we're doing these scopes and line item budgets, because prices nowadays change daily. Not only on building materials, but I'm sure on a lot of other stuff that they shut the factories down, like appliances. So hard to find appliance packages, and like you check out Brands Martin, you go pay for a package like dishwasher, range, microwave, refrigerator. It might be on back order for a couple months. Never used to be like that. But hey, the times we living in. Oh yeah, cabinets went up as well. Like bathroom vanity, almost 1,200. Probably could have came 7-8 months ago and got it for 800. Everything has about a 20-25% price increase. Appliances. But these on sale because they as is. But kitchen cabinets, everything has gone up. So just know, when you're redoing your budgets on everything that you say your builder or even a homeowner looking to upgrade, just remember prices now are about 25% higher than they were last year at the same time. So you just got to keep that in mind. All the way down to the flooring prices, everything. I'm gonna go check on these windows prices. What's up, boss? Nah, just checking prices. Oh, yeah, that's what I need. So when I get $19.99, man. Uh-huh. That's gonna be my new construction with or without grid, size and prices, replacement, sliders, and picture windows. That stuff I generally keep in stock.
Okay, thank you very much. All right. All right, I have one of these sheets from last year. I'm gonna check the prices on them, that way I can really let you guys know how much the windows increase. On average, about 20-25%. And if you want wooden windows and not vinyl windows, you can go ahead and just double your price. Yeah, wooden windows are much more expensive than the vinyl windows that are used in like mostly new construction. Wooden windows are used in some new construction, maybe higher end new construction, or new construction where you have to build in a historic area, like the new build that we did in Hateville. They required us to put in wooden windows and not vinyl windows to keep the aesthetics to a mid-century style of home when they had no vinyl windows. So, like I say, if you got any free time, just visit your local surplus stores and you can see for yourself about the prices, how they've changed, and you just gotta adapt to it. Because I don't think they're coming down. If anything, they're gonna go up more.